What's going on, everybody? This is Zell with MixStar Audio at MixStarAudio.com, where we encourage you to be your own star. It's a late one today, you guys. It's 8:24. We are on our way out to Main Street, University of Delaware's campus, to shoot a music video. I'm not shooting a music video. Mr. Light It Up is actually in Montreal, Canada right now. So Lord Zell's gonna have to step in tonight for Mr. Light It Up, and you know I'm gonna go ahead and light it up. We gotta head out. I just got done loading the car up. I got just a few different par lights for the aesthetic, and some fog that we're gonna make go off and, you know, give you guys a good effect. You guys are gonna see we're out helping Yikes lead today for his music video. Enough of me talking, man. Let's get on the road. We're here. Sir Yikes himself.
Did you record? You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? My name Yikes, you feel me? Like, I be in these streets. You don't even know. Listen, bro, I shoot people, I pop toolies, and then I gotta turn GTA off and get back to real life. But in that, yo, listen, bro. Understand, as crackheads, I'ma call you Pookie. You can learn a lesson. This is really off the top of the dome. I'm done. I'm about to go home. Actually, no, we gotta shoot a video. So the bus stop is already taken up. Let's look at what else we got.
All right, you heard it himself. The bus stop is taken. We're gonna go ahead and find us a different location. All right, guys, we made it to the new set. We actually here's the new set. We're in an alley right now. There's some trash cans back there. It stinks, but that's the only outlet that we could find. And you know what I mean? We gonna you know what I mean? Take the situation to make it twerk, baby. We gonna twerk the hell out of this situation. We gonna make it work. Now, as usual, enjoy this commentated time lapse. Commentated time lapse time. You see what it is. The original shoot location that we had in mind was not available to us, so we had to improvise. Here you go. Hope you enjoy the rest of the BTS. All right, guys, we are all set. I got the lighting set up, but we're in a, as you guys can see, like, get it done by any means necessary sort of deal.
I can hold it. No, don't hold it. Hold it and press it, two different jobs.
And you ain't getting paid for neither.
Relieve the stress. People that still hate me trust just peep when I'm here. Take one, I'm back.
Niggas get too friendly with me and think I'm a beginner. Niggas get lost in my comments and forget I'm a winner. I've been blessing too many people, they think I'm a sinner. Though I go to my points, I'm in the paint, I'm so front and center. And I'm understand some protection, huh? I know we said it so much, God. Let me see the purple and red. I like blue and green isn't bad, but
You want to do a little darker stuff?
yeah, I feel like it's not enough contrast.
Let me get one more light. Can we get another light on this side?
That would be nice.
I like whatever you like. What you like is fine. But I love the Zell though. I'm about to act like Denzel, right? I'm right, okay, all right, okay. Take three.
Because I know I'm blessed. Going smoke productions and relieve the stress.
I'm gonna listen to the song once, because that second part. Anybody here like BTS, they feel like I'm done. I don't realize it.
Behind the scenes.
Hey, look, that's all I gotta say. I hope y'all like this video. I'm not drunk, I'm not a crackhead, I'm not high. The purpose of this video was to show that life could be so much worse than what you're going through. You know, it was just my trying to be positive. But other than that, don't do drugs. As Mr. Mackey says on South Park, drugs and bad and good.
On set, you guys saw the first part of the shoot. We turned all the lights off for right now. You guys saw the smoke going. Everything is good. Everything's working out exactly how it needs to work out. The footage is looking great. What camera are we shooting with, bro?
This that Marvelous. This that FX3. This that Sigma 35, boy. Prime lens in the motherfucker. Prime, boy.
Guys, we're about to get started on the second half of the shoot, and hopefully get a few takes to play around with. Anything you want to say about the shoot so far?
I would definitely say that the lighting is on point.
Hey, it's lit. Let's go. Yep.
Alright, take 6. Action.
Stuff cause it really ain't that deep. Though to y'all is just some people and they thinking that it's steep. I know I'm so peculiar, it's only one of me, no clones. And I know God ordered my steps, but really I just can't see finding stones in 2020. Niggas thinking I'm peaking when the reality goes that I'm reaching. Fight for a long time, really seeking. Keep on going on the court, I believe it's still my success. You know that I'm blessed, this shit ain't a guess, but life is a test. I wake up every day and get out my bed and look in the air and know that I'm blessed. Can't I believe that we made it this far? Honestly, I just don't know where to start. Comprehend my father's words really smart. Those who buy pizzas don't know where to park. I really should have listened from the start. Father said,
hello, come talk to the camera. A lot of red about opportunity. I wrote a talk to you about a guy named Yikes. Yikes has an album coming out October 4th. You gotta say October 4th. You gotta say it just like that. October 4th.
Alright guys, you didn't hear him. That's a wrap. Let's get it. We went the entire video around that can. We finish up and now he knocks it over. What do you have to say for yourself?
MixStar Audio is the only people I use for really any video production that requires their services when the artist is ready to do that. And since I am shooting my first music video, actually, I decided that I needed their contribution to my goal and dream. And the level of excellence that has been spewed has been... I'm trying to talk educated.